Understanding the term military outpost. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase often heard in news, movies, and books. Military outpost. This video will break down the meaning, significance, and usage of this term, especially for those of you learning English. So, let's dive in and understand what a military outpost really is. Military outpost refers to a small military base located away from the main army or country's border. These outposts are strategically positioned to serve various purposes such as surveillance, protection, or to serve as a launching point for military actions. Unlike larger bases, outposts are typically smaller, and they can be temporary or permanent. Military outposts serve several key roles. 1. Surveillance and monitoring. They are often used to monitor enemy movements or to keep an eye on strategically important areas. 2. Defense and protection. Outposts act as a first line of defense, guarding against potential threats or invasions. 3. Support and logistics. They provide support to the main military forces, offering a base for supplies, communication, and strategic planning. Throughout history, military outposts have played crucial roles. For example, historical forts. In the past, forts served as military outposts, protecting trade routes and borders. Modern outposts. Today, outposts can be seen in conflict zones, where they are used for peacekeeping and to assist in humanitarian efforts. The term military outpost is not just a military term. It has cultural and linguistic significance as well. It's often used metaphorically to describe a place that is far from the center of activity or a place that is on the edge of civilization. Understanding such terms enriches your English vocabulary and gives you insight into cultural and historical contexts. That's a wrap on our journey to understand what a military outpost is. We hope this video has been informative and has added a valuable term to your English vocabulary. Remember, every word or phrase you learn opens up a new world of understanding and possibilities. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.